Hello everyone! For today's video ay kung paano natin i-renew at ma-update ang dating na-issue na police clearance certification. Okay, since police clearance have limited validity and usually 6 months lang at gusto natin na i-renew ito, so magagawa na natin ito sa pamamagitan ng online renewals. Okay, so kung paano natin to gawin, first step ay i-open mo ang iyong browser, then i-search mo yung police clearance at i-click mo to. Then, mapupunta ka dito sa Police Clearance System homepage. Makikita mo dito yung Register and Login. Since renewal ang gagawin mo, so I'm sure na may account ka na dito. Okay, so i-click mo tong Login. Then, i-click mo tong Begin. To confirm you are a human, kailangan mong sundan yung pinapagawa sa'yo. Okay, so dito kailangan piliin ko yung lahat ng curtains. At kapag napili mo na lahat, i-click mo na tong confirm. Okay, mag-sign in ka na gamit ang iyong email address and password. Okay, kung natatandaan mo pa ang iyong email, ay ilagay mo dito at yung password. Kung sakaling nakalimutan mo na ang iyong password, i-click mo lang tong forget password at puntahan mo ang iyong email inbox. At kung wala sa iyong email inbox, ay i-check mo ang iyong spam or junk folder. Then kapag natanggap mo na, ay i-click mo na tong click here to change your password. At mag-enter ka ng iyong bagong password at i-confirm mo dito ang iyong ginawang bagong password. Okay, then save new password. I-click mo ulit tong Begin at pumili ka ulit. So ngayon ay hats naman. Okay, i-click mo lahat ng hats dito. At i-click ang confirm. Okay, then to sign in, maglagay ka ng iyong email at ang iyong password and then click sign in. At dito ay lalabas ang complete name mo, ang iyong email, birthday, sex, and address. At i-click mo tong clearance application. Okay, then may dalawang choices, renewal with appearance and non-appearance. So dito po sa renewal non-appearance ay ina-allow tayo na mag-renew online ng ating national police clearance and we don't need to go to police station. But make sure lang guys na within 3 years from the last appearance. Okay, so piliin ko tong renewal non-appearance. At bago tayo magtuloy ay may photo guidelines po dito. Okay, ang dapat ay nakasentro ang tingin, kita ang dalawang tenga, di nakangiti o nakasimangot at puti o white background. Okay, at hindi dapat magulo ang buhok, hindi dapat nakasalamin or nakakap, bawal ang nakasando or naka-sleeveless. Hindi dapat nakangiti o kita ang ngipin, wala dapat buhok sa mukha, hindi nakatagilid, wala dapat contact lens o alahas. Okay, kapag handa ka na ay i-close mo na to. Okay, so dito po sa una, purpose and police station. I-click mo tong arrow down to select purpose at mamimili ka dito if general, LTOPF application, and SOSIA. Okay, piliin ko tong general. At dito sa selected police station, i-click mo tong arrow down at lalabas na dito yung lahat ng police station. Okay, kung hindi mo mahanap ay i-search mo na lang dito. At kapag nakapili ka na ay i-click mo tong next and then upload documents. Pwede ka mag-upload ng latest 2x2 photo with white background. Kapag may latest photo ka ay i-click mo tong browse at kapag wala ay i-click mo tong open camera to capture. At pumili ka dito if allow while visiting the site or allow this time. At mag-selfie ka na. And next is take a selfie holding your valid government issued ID. And make sure guys that your selfie is clear and visible. Kapag tapos ka na ay click mo na tong next. And the third step is select payment method. Ang makikita lang natin dito ay Land Bank of the Philippines. And total of 150 pesos. Okay, so kung GCash, Maya or other bank ang payment method mo, i-scroll down mo lang to at i-click mo lang tong next. At may note dito na from the last appearance after 3 years, the applicant will be mandated to appear at the police station for biometrics and a picture. Okay, then i-click mo tong save appointment. Then click next. At dito sa step 4 ay save appointment. I-scroll down mo lang to. At dito banda ay makikita mo yung kanilang list of valid IDs. At pagdating dito sa baba, kung gamit mo ay cellphone ay i-swipe mo lang. And then click here to pay for more payment option. I-click mo to. Then lalabas dito yung payment details. At scroll down. At i-click mo tong payment method. At pipili ka na dito ng payment method. Kung Land Bank, Cash Payment, and GCash, Maya, ShopeePay, and GrabPay via MYAG. Or other bank via PCHC Pay Cape. Okay, piliin ko tong GCash and enter the CAPTCHA challenge. I-type at gayahin mo lang to. Okay, ito po guys ay case sensitive. At kung hindi maintindihan, pwede mo naman tong i-click na refresh CAPTCHA to change the CAPTCHA. Okay, after ilagay, i-click mo na tong box for terms and conditions na ikaw ay at least 18 years old and above. At bago mo i-continue, ay makikita mo dito na may note na please review payment details before clicking continue. Kapag sure ka na, ay i-click mo na tong continue. Okay, then click OK. And dito naman ay you have to choose a payment below and fill out the following information. Okay, piliin ko dito ay GCash and scroll down lang at dito sa payment details, makikita mo dito yung order number, your name, product, and yung amount is 150 pesos at may convenience fee na 30 pesos. So, total amount to pay is 180 pesos. Okay, then i-click mo na tong proceed at i-click ang OK if you are sure you want to proceed. Next is open in GCash to complete the payment. Or log into GCash and scan this QR code. Okay, i-click ko tong open in GCash. Then mag-login ka sa yung GCash account using your 4-digit MPIN. And you are about to pay 180 pesos. Okay, click pay 180 pesos. And yung aking payment result is successful. Okay, next step ay bumalik ka dito sa yung profile and i-click mo tong transaction. At mapupunta ka dito. Ang gawin mo ay scroll mo lang to pababa. At dito sa baba ay may makikita kang ganito. Ang gawin mo dito ay swipe mo lang ng ganito at makikita mo dito yung status paid. At dito sa action may makikita kang print transaction details. So kailangan mo lang maghintay ng konti kasi under processing pa. And after 1 minute, ni-check ko ulit at ganito na yung lumabas na clearance release and download clearance. Kapag ganito guys, pwede nyo na yan i-download at ipaprint nyo na lang. Okay, tip ko lang if ever na after ilang minuto na wala pang lumabas na ganito, na download clearance, subukan nyo na mag-login sa ibang cellphone or laptop. Okay, so ganito lang po mag-renew ng National Police Clearance na hindi na kailangan pumunta pa sa police station. Okay, I hope na nakatulong itong video sa inyo and hit like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching!